Welcome, paddlers. This guide is your go-to resource for navigating the Kayak Portage around Palisades Dam on the Snake River. Whether you're tackling the river as part of a long-distance expedition or simply exploring this section, understanding the history, hazards, and logistics of the portage will help ensure a smoother, safer journey. Before we dive into the portage details, here's a quick tip. Your kayak cart isn't just for portaging dams. I often use mine to haul gear up to campsites that are set back from the river. It's a small tool that makes a big difference. Now, to set the scene, enjoy the short wildlife video featuring Kokanee salmon in their spawning run. A powerful reminder of the life these rivers sustain and why we paddle them. Kokanee salmon, the landlocked form of sockeye salmon, are not native to the Snake River itself, but are prevalent in several reservoirs within the Snake River Basin, particularly in Idaho. These fish are popular among anglers for their spirited fight and excellent taste. While kokanee are thriving in these reservoirs, it's important to note that their relatives, the Snake River sockeye salmon, are endangered. These sockeye undertake one of the longest migrations of any salmon, traveling over 900 miles to spawn in places like Redfish Lake. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect and restore these critically endangered native populations. Now, onto the portage of Palisades Dam. Palisades Dam is one of the most challenging portages on the Snake River and earns an extreme difficulty rating. This is a required auto portage for anyone wishing to proceed safely. The adjacent Highway 26 is a heavily trafficked route leading to the south entrance of Yellowstone National Park. It has limited visibility, no shoulder, and is unsafe for use with a kayak cart. There are 3 portage options. The first and recommended route is the takeout at Blowout Campground Boat Ramp. The takeout is 6 miles from the dam, located on the eastern shore of the lake. Features a wide ramp, ample parking, and a gentle shoreline for landing. The ramp is part of the developed Blowout Campground with restrooms and overnight camping. The second option is a pullout along Highway 26. It is 2.5 miles from the dam. It has a steep incline that requires multiple trips to the lake to transport all your gear. It is not recommended, but is the closest non-private takeout to the dam. The last option is closest to the dam, but it is private and requires permission. It is the Pine Bay Boat Club. The re-entry to the river just downstream of the dam is the Riverside Park Campground. It offers safe river access, picnic areas, and riverside campsites. A good location to stage gear and resume paddling on the Snake River. Important notes: there's no dedicated portage signs or marked paddler routes at Palisades Dam. Exercise extreme caution near dam infrastructure, obey all posted signage, and respect restricted areas. Auto portage is strongly recommended for both safety and practicality. My final verdict: Palisades Dam is hands down one of the hardest portages on the Snake River. Between limited takeout access, steep terrain, and dangerous highway condition, this one demands extra planning and caution. It earns a solid difficult on my portage scale.